Hello beautiful souls, how are you doing today? Alright, so today is a very exciting day to me because I am just few hours to my big day. The 15th of December is actually a very big day to me. Alright, so I know you all already know what 15th of December stands for. It stands for two big events, and that is the date night with Elegant and my album listening party. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just few hours to that event. And if you're watching me right now and you are just getting to know about this event, it's really not too late, because right now you can still secure your ticket and you can still be a part of this event. Alright, so this video is actually for two purposes. First of all, it's actually for the open verse challenge that I did. Alright, so some weeks ago I threw up a competition, an open verse challenge, and I told all of you that know how to sing, all of you that have fantastic talents, to actually jump on my Not Alone track, which is one of the tracks in my album. And a few of you actually seized the opportunity and contested in that open verse challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am super excited to bring to your notice the grand winner of the Call Me Elegant Not Alone open verse challenge, which took place some weeks ago. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we have formally gotten to know who the winner is. Alright, so with no much ado, I want to announce the winner. The winner. Whoever you are so lucky. And God bless you. I know already that you know yourself, because the criteria for actually being the winner of the competition was the highest likes, comments, and views you are going to have in your video. And of course, you have made it to this point of having the highest views, the highest comments, the highest likes, and you actually did fabulously in your music performance. You actually are a very good artist. I must say congratulations to you. Alright, so before I go ahead to announce you to the viewers, to everybody around the world, I want to tell you, yes, you, that will be imaging the winner of this competition today, that you are lucky. And we at the Elegant Empire Music are here waiting eagerly to get started with you and give you your recording contract deal worth over 500,000 naira. This is actually the star prize for the winner of my open verse challenge. I want to officially announce to you all the winner of the Not Alone Open Verse Challenge, which of course is no other person but, ladies and gentlemen, his name is X Young Vibes. X Young Vibes, congratulations to you. You are the grand winner of the Not Alone Open Verse Challenge, which of course, you did fabulously well in your presentation, even carrying on with the views, the comments, the likes. It's incredible, and you merit this prize. Congratulations to you once again. Alright, so see you in few hours on my event, because you officially are going to be performing alongside me and other dope artists in Lagos State, Nigeria on my event. Coming up in few hours from now, the date night with Elegance and my album listening party. I want you all viewers out there to come and have a spectrum of super talented people. Alright, so we are just going to thrill you, and we are all set to blow your minds. The event is starting officially by 5 p.m. Please, I beg you, I am soliciting, I crave your indulgence. We are starting by 5 p.m. and this event is just for a few hours. If you do not come by 5 p.m., you are going to be missing a lot. Please don't start coming by 5 p.m. Start coming from your location before the time. just so you can meet the red carpet formalities, which is starting by 5. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, we are very strict people and we are very strict to time. We respect timing a lot. So when we say it's 5, it's actually 5. Nothing is going to stop us from starting that event by 5 and closing by 10 p.m. But the date night with Elegant and my album listening party is coming to a close by 10 p.m. and we are starting by 5 p.m. on the dot. The red carpet formalities is actually important to you. Please don't forget, don't fail to be in my red carpet. The red carpet is just for 1 hour. We're starting the red carpet by 5 p.m. and by 6 p.m. everybody is back into the lounge for the event proper. Listen, this is not an event you want to come late. This is not like that African time thing. Don't give us your African time because you might just come and you have missed a lot of activities, which of course is not going to be fair on you. Please respect our time. I want to see you by 5. In fact, I am going to be in that event ground with my team members few hours before the time. Alright, so from 12, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., you are not going to see me anywhere else than on that event ground. So I want you to be a part of it. If you want to come and meet with me and for us to have enough time to talk before the event, then I think you should be there few hours to the call time, which of course I already said I'm going to be there from noon. Alright, so wherever you are, please, all road leads to Ethos Lounge, Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. If you do not know the address and the direction, please contact us on WhatsApp right now and let us send you the full address and direction. Please don't start calling my line by 5 p.m. because I will be so busy and I will not be able to pick up. If you want to make any inquiries or you want to ask questions about the venue or directions, please start doing it right now till about few hours to the event, because when the event starts by 5, I will actually not be reachable for anybody. So I don't want you to get stranded. I don't want you to miss your way in whatsoever capacity. The venue is actually very popular, so once you get to Aja, it's definitely going to be very easy for you to get to the lounge. All right, but then if you want to talk to me directly, please do your findings now before the event time, because when it is 5 p.m. on the dot, it's my show. I am the one hosting. All right, so I am going to be so super busy with a lot of activities. Don't call my line by that time because you're not going to get me. All right, I love you all, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to see you in my event. This is your date, and don't be late. See you.